collaborate with different companies. They come in, they do company spotlights over here, which is essentially just the companies telling about themselves. You know how it's very difficult for students to get into the first step, which is getting
Absolutely,
interviewed.
yes. Does that create a hindrance for students to find internships or part-time jobs? Which careers do you see the most opportunity in Dubai and the nearby places? Where's the biggest opportunity?
That's one way we support the students, and then we do career counseling sessions where they get career guidance. We have a great placement rate of our alumni students who within like 6 months of their graduation.
Hi, how are you? I'm Piyush. We are from India, and we have this YouTube channel called Study Abroad with Piyush. And we just interview students, travel around the world, talking to students in different universities. I saw that you are kind of manning the careers hub here. So that's really good. It's important. Students are looking for career opportunities. So just maybe introduce yourself and just tell us where you're from, what are you studying here, and how you got this role at the Careers Hub.
My name is Vareesha, and I'm a recent graduate from the School of Psychology here at Curtin Dubai. And now I'm as a careers officer over here. I look after internship, full-time opportunities, part-time placements for undergraduate, foundation, and postgraduate students, and also our alumni.
Okay.
We make sure that we provide career and work opportunities to all our students, and also our alumni. So we keep our alumni very connected to us. So we make sure that if they need any career support, we provide that to them, and we also do skill development workshops and guest lectures and integrated learning where we bring in guest lecturers from different fields where they talk about different aspects of those fields, so IT, cybersecurity, business, psychology, engineering, and everything. And we also collaborate with, is that going to be a problem? So we make sure that we integrate all these like extra learning opportunities into our programs, and we collaborate with different companies. They come in, they do company spotlights over here, which is essentially just the companies telling about themselves, about what they do, what culture, what work culture are they looking for. That gives the student an idea of what the company is about, what they do, how
So I
they
saw a lot of
work.
like big company names as like part of
Yes,
the
yes.
where all the Curtin students have gone
Yeah,
to.
we have
Like,
a great placement rate of our alumni students. So within like 6 months of their graduation, they are placed somewhere or the other. It could be from our career fairs, from the companies that we bring on campus. So when you bring companies on campus, you make sure that they have, if they have internship or full-time placements, they do interviews over here. So they have drop-in interviews of, you know how it's very difficult for students to get into the first step, which is getting
Absolutely,
interviewed.
yes.
So we make sure we bridge that gap where they can just walk in and do drop-in interviews over here. And we do usually do it in the library, so it's like open space, just like everyone can see that the company is over here. So that's one way we support the students, and then we do career counseling sessions where they get career guidance, especially for foundation students who are looking for like the specific fields they want to go in undergraduate. So we make sure we tell them or they can get support from our career counselor on which path they should take, depending on their interest, depending on the skills that they have, and also the path that they want.
Myself, a career counselor, I'm very, very passionate about this topic, about building careers for our
Yes,
students. And I believe education and early guidance plays such an important role.
For sure, for sure.
But when you're looking out for these internships, we are an academic city, right? That's always a question that comes up, and I've been talking about very actively about it, but I would love to stand corrected. Being an academic city which is slightly away from main Dubai,
Yeah.
Does that create a hindrance for students to find internships or part-time jobs?
So the internships are in various places. It could be in different Emirates as well. Like we had internships in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah. So it just depends on where the students are staying. Because we have students coming in from Ajman, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, and also like various other Emirates as well. So it just depends on where the opportunities are. So for example, an opportunity is in Sharjah. We make sure we know where the students, what like, which group of students are staying in Sharjah. So we target those kind of students for those opportunities. And the opportunities are posted to all the students, but we can or we do contact the specific group of students when such opportunities come in. So anyone who is living in Sharjah specifically for those students, we make sure that they're aware of those opportunities.
So students are not definitely living in academic city. That's a very valid point actually.
Yeah.
They're living in all these
Yeah.
places,
Yeah.
and that's where the companies are. So
It's mostly the international students who are living either in academic city or just like the nearby places, so Silicon Oasis or something like that. So it depends on where
where
the
you are,
person
where
is
you are,
living. Yeah.
and which careers do you see the most opportunity in Dubai and the nearby places? What would you guide your your younger brother?
Yeah.
What should they study here in Dubai? Where's the
Yeah.
biggest opportunity?
That's actually an interesting question because my sister is gonna start uni next year.
Okay.
So
So now you know whatever
And
she's gonna study, you guys need to study because she knows everything about careers here.
Yeah, so I feel like in terms of opportunities, I've seen a lot of opportunities in digital marketing and AI and anything business related. So tourism is one of the most growing.
By like 10 times as a tourist, first time for the YouTube channel. So
Yeah. So I've seen tourism grow. I mean, worldwide, it's growing really like fastly. So I feel like that's one of. But it again depends on the student itself. If they have the career, the skill set and the interest,
Right.
I think they can make any career, any field
I
work
think,
for
see,
them.
guys, so I'm not, she's a bigger expert than me, but I tell you the same thing, there's opportunity, doesn't matter. If you're not good at it, you will never get that
Or
opportunity.
if you're not interested in it, I feel like you can never make things work for yourself.
Whatever you're interested in, whatever you're good at, try and make a career in that.
Definitely.
But yesterday we were having a chat with another student, Ankit, and he said exactly the same two fields. He said digital marketing and he said
tourism.
AI. He said, so I think it's just such a
Yeah.
great consistency. I think that's where,
Exactly.
absolutely people are seeing a lot of opportunities. And so many large companies here all looking for marketing and all looking to reinvent themselves with AI. So
Definitely.
it was such a fantastic time sharing your knowledge with all our students. Thank you so much. Are they your students or they are your
They're
colleagues?
interns, so
They're
they're
interns.
working under the careers department, and so this is one of the amazing things that we do, which we provide opportunities within campus. So every department, almost every department, so marketing, IT, finance, careers hub, and even admissions, they have their interns
Right.
who work under the full-time staff, and they get that work experience while studying.
Right.
They also get to manage or like balance the work and studies. So
Right.
it gives them a good opportunity before they go into the workforce. To
Absolutely, and they're working
experience.
on campus.
Yes,
They get to
right.
speak to so many of their other fellow
Yes,
students.
yes.
Nothing, no negatives around it. So,
Yeah.
so guys, we are here with the team, Curtin University, and lovely speaking with you. And thanks for sharing all the insight around careers in Dubai and how you are helping the students here at Curtin University. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
and
much.
lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
And if you do guys enjoy and you want to understand more about Dubai, then do subscribe to our channel and leave your questions below in the comment. And I answer all my comments on my own. So please leave your comments and I will answer your queries there. So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in the next video.